everyone, welcome to my tutorial of Mandala Art step by step. Starting by preparing base by painting it with black acrylic color. Now, for marking center using rounder and scale. Then using center of a circle, make big circles and then making smaller circles. Then make grid lines to add more accuracy in your dotting art. Then, starting with small white dots, using smallest mandala dotting tool. Putting each dot close to each other for giving it a beautiful look. Now using darker shade, which is light sea blue color. Making dot using the same size dotting tool. And making 2 layers of the same color. Now using darker shade than previous one. Making another layers of dot, using bigger diameter Mandala Art dotting tool. And make 3 layers of the same color, to create a beautiful shade of colors. Finally, completing the 3rd layer of the same color. Now, using larger diameter Mandala Art tool. And using orange color, make dots till 3 layers. Finally, completing the 3rd layer of the same color. Now, for giving flower look to your art, using larger diameter Mandala Art tool, make larger dots of blue color, each dot at equal distances. Then using small dotting tool make white dots at the center of the blue dots on the sideways, then making smaller and smaller dots. Doing the same, using light blue and orange color making 3 layers. Now, make orange dot using larger diameter Mandala Art tool, at the middle of each blue dots corresponding to each other at equal distances, and then making white dots on the periphery of orange dots. Making 5 layers and giving it a look of larger petals of a flower. Now, adding another layer using different shade. completing the final layer using white colors. Now, adding white dots in the middle of larger petals corresponding to each other, and then again making smaller dots at the periphery of white dot, giving it a look of smaller petals of a flower. Adding another and the last layer. Lastly, filling up the space with orange dots. And here is the art, completing the first part of this art.